morning, guys. So I am at the airport right now in Lyon in France. I just finished some incredible Christmas celebrations. Roll the tape.
Il y avait du monde à Carrefour, mais non, mais quand tu dis que ça c'est réduit.
C'est bien, j'ai ça derrière en plus.
Et voilà, merci.
Santé.
Encore. Bon, ben voilà, on va le voir, enfin.
Ils sont truqués les dés, hein.
Vous les nommer, mais je pense pas que c'est vous allez les connaître. C'est des genre la Comtoisie voyageuse, le poivre des dunes.
Ne demande plus, mais tout à l'heure vous faites là. Tu l'as à la table.
On te demande pas de la valer, on te demande de souffler.
Regarde, tu sais faire, regarde.
C'est bien.
On fait mieux. Ouais.
C'est tout son demi, hein.
Même moi je sais pas.
Dehors, maintenant.
Il fait ses recherches Google sous la table. Ça passe mieux, il y a peut-être plus de...
Ça va?
Ah non, il est dessous.
Il y a plus de connexion, Baudon.
Tu veux peut-être le mobile?
Sous la table.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten and never brought to
À bientôt pour la nouvelle année.
Should acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne for old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
C'est peut-être moi, puis j'ai oublié l'autre.
Just before and Jesus.
Bonne chose pour toi.
Bonne année, alors. Plein de choses prévues.
Where's all his business?
For old
yeah, it was amazing being able to see family again and be all together in this COVID time. We all tested and were careful. But right now I'm at the airport on my way to Prague with some friends. So I'm about to take the plane. Gotta put my mask back on. But that is the plan, and it's gonna be a fun time. A good week there. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We haven't decided. I'm hoping skiing. I want to go ice skating at least. But yeah, have some fun. So let's go to Prague for a week.
Good morning and welcome to Volunteer Flight to Prague. On behalf of the entire crew, we welcome you on board. The flight will take approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Made it to the hotel. Literally just walked in the door and this is our room. Got a massive closet here to hide in. A bathroom in here. Big ass mirror. We've got a living room with one bed. Little kitchen top. Little table. Big ass TV. And then the bedroom, which is English themed, which is adorable. And an absolutely stunning view out the window. Look at that. Woohoo. Now, I just need to wait for the other two to arrive. I'm gonna freshen up, maybe have a nap. I don't know. Undecided. But yeah. And then they are arriving with bottles of champagne apparently, left over from my birthday. So we will start celebrating straight away. Look who just got here!
Woohoo! Prague, baby!
My name's Brynn.
And I like cheese. Quoting yours. Yeah, we will. Hi kids, I'm from Jamaica and I like cheese. Oh wow!
Alright!
It wasn't your first time doing that.
Is it?
Oh no.
It is quite chills.
It is quite chills,
That
yeah.
freezer be doing its thing. And this jersey. Cheers!
Cheers, guys.
Prague!
We made it.
So making epic memories in this beautiful city and making new friendships. I'm ordering that next.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah, go. Yeah. Oh my
I can't wait to see this in your
fountain.
That's like a lot, right? Or is it just me? Stuart, what do you think of Mr. Hemingway's bar in Prague?
This is Daddy.
Cheers. You can still eat, you know. Morning guys! So today we're off exploring. It's about 12 p.m. Had a good lie-in this morning and I hope you can hear me with all the cars in the background. There's never a dull moment here in Prague. But yeah, we're gonna walk around a bit. We've got a walking tour booked at 3 p.m. So we're gonna do that. But now we're just walking around looking for food and we're right next to this beautiful building. Don't know what it is, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's a bit chilly, but it's quite nice to walk around in fresh air. Walking tour time!
Freezing up to its full and our balls.
It's patented by a French man, late 18th century. And 19th century especially becomes popular. How do you drink absinthe?
Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings. Hey, it makes sense because many movies are so. Have you seen the latest movie of Spider-Man?
This is before Copernicus, the Polish astronomer, was even born. It was built by two Czechs. One was a clockmaker, the other one was an astronomer. In order to create clay, to shape it like a human being without a soul. And he goes around it 7 times whispering formulas of creation. He heats it up with fire, and he uses the 4 elements. And then he puts inside of the mouth of this creature a magical scroll.
I mix the card and you say stop there. Say stop. Ready?
Too fast, too fast!
Okay, one more time. Fine, one more time.
Why so long?
High ground. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, stop. Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Okay, your turn. Yeah. Check that. Yeah.
Obviously you got the Joker.
Okay, your hands on the table. Turn around.
It's ooh la la.
Okay, check that. Yeah. Nothing. Where is your card? I believe I can run. I believe I can touch
The sky. I think about it every night and day. Als Harry Potter's rich. Wow, babe, you got them cool.
Yeah. Okay, your magic boots.
Your magic boobs? They're definitely magic boobs.
How the fuck do I open this?
That's an old ass wallet. course, of course.
Magic hoops.
Magic hoops.
You impressed. I like.
Me too.